Hello everyone, welcome back to Home Focus by Jay. I'm so happy you're here. If you enjoy shopping hauls, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss my future uploads. Today, I'm sharing a fun shopping haul from Five Below. I was shopping for an upcoming birthday party, and I found some really cute and affordable items. If you're planning a kid's birthday party or looking for budget-friendly gift ideas, I hope this video gives you some inspiration. Let's get started. First, I picked up several return gifts for kids under 10 years old. Five Below has so many fun options that are affordable without looking inexpensive. I wanted gifts that kids would actually enjoy, and I was happy with the variety I found. I love the bright colors and fun designs. They'll definitely help create a festive party atmosphere. One thing I really like about shopping at Five Below is that you can stay within your budget while still finding unique and fun items. Whether you're shopping for party supplies, gifts, toys, or home items, there's always something new to discover. I'd love to know what your favorite Five Below find has been recently. Look at this cute doll for a 3-year-old girl. I'm sure kids gonna love it. Look at this cute furblets. Kids love this collection. Next, I found some adorable Stitch-themed birthday decorations. If you're planning a Stitch birthday party, there were some really cute decorations available. Leave a comment below and let me know. If you enjoyed this haul, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to Home Focus by Jay, and share it with someone who's planning a birthday party or looking for affordable gift ideas. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next shopping haul. Budget finds, unboxings, and travel videos. Have a wonderful day.